Morning, dear children. Are you ready for the next section? Okay. In last class, we took the chapter 2. Then we can complete today that chapter. Are you ready? Okay. Then take your textbook. In last class, we started. That means we completed this. Do you have any doubt? Anybody have any doubt? Okay, then we can complete this chapter. Are you ready? Yes. Take page number 16. Up to this, are you remembering the story? Yes, listen. बालक ने हंसते हुए पेड़ की एक डाली को जोर जोर से हिला दिया। काले काले रसदार जामुन पेड़ से नीचे गिर पड़े और धूल में सन गए। ओवैयार एक जामुन को उड़ाकर बड़े प्रेम से फूंक फूंक कर खाने लगे। Before starting this section, I will say the short summary of that last class. Listen, then Ovaiyar, so one boy is sitting on the tree and he is eating the jamun. Then when that boy saw her, he asked, "Do you want this blackberries, jamun?" Then she told, "Ah, yes, I need." Then boy asked, "Which one you want? Which would you like to eat? Dhande or garam jamun?" Then that Ovaiyar become confused. Why? Ah, yes. First time she is hearing about this two types of jamuns are the garam or dhande. First time she is hearing that. So she became confused, or she became shocked when he heard that question. Then at 11 again and then again that boy asked, "Which one you want?" You say, "Then only I can give to you." Like that boy told. Then at last the Ovaiyar ने कौन सा जामुन बताया? हाँ, yes, देखिए पेज नंबर 15. सोचते सोचते ओवैयार तंग आ गई थी। उसने कहा, "वही तू नहीं मानेगी, चल कुछ गरम जामुन गिरा दो मेरे लिए। कौन सा जामुन दे दो? यस, गरम जामुन मेरे लिए, गरम जामुन। यू प्लग सम गरम जामुन फॉर मी। देन मैंने आज तक डंडे जामुन ही खाए हैं। आज तक मैंने डंडे जामुन खाए। दे इट ओनली डंडे जामुन, और मेरे लिए तुम गरम जामुन दे दो।" और बालक ने हंसते हुए पेड़ की एक डाली को जोर से हिला दिया। What that boy, when that Ovaiyar told, "I need garam jamun," then that boy is laughing. You know why he is laughing? We can see that. Listen. बालक ने हंसते हुए पेड़ की एक डाली को जोर जोर से हिला दिया। Then when that Ovaiyar told, "I need garam jamun," then that boy smiled and he's laughing, and after that what he did, he shake the branches of the tree and काले काले रसदार जामुन पेड़ से नीचे गिर पड़े। Then what happened? He shake the branch of the tree. Then at time काले काले रसदार blackberries fall down on the earth, और पेड़ से नीचे गिर पड़े और धूल में सन गए। Then it full covered with dust. और ओवैयार एक एक जामुन को उड़ाकर बड़े प्रेम से फूंक फूंक कर खाने लगी। Then Ovaiyar, she was very happy. Why? Her wish. What's her wish? To eat the jamun. Now that wish is fulfilled, so she is very happy. Then she is taking that berries from downside, and she's what she's doing, how she's eating, foo like that. She's doing, and she's, because it's more dust. So she's removing that dust and all, foo like that she's doing, and she started to eat that jamun. ये देखकर बालक हंस पड़ा। When that boy saw this, that Ovaiyar, how she is eating, she is taking that jamun in her hand, she is doing like that, foo like that she is doing, and eating. Then when that boy saw this, he is laughing. और फिर बोला, कहो मौसी गरम जामुन कैसे लगे? Then that boy told, कहो मौसी, you say मौसी, you say aunty, you say गरम जामुन कैसे लगे? How is it this hot berries? गरम जामुन कैसे है? ओवैयार ने जामुन का रस चूसते हुए कहा, बेटा जामुन तो डंडे ही है। Then ओवैयार ने जामुन का रस चूसते हुए कहा, then she tasted that jamun. Ovaiyar tasted that jamun and she told, beta jamun to dande hi hai. Then that lady told, Ovaiyar told to that boy, this is also dande jamun. This is not hot jamun, this is dande jamun. It's cold, it's not hot. बालक ने कहा, कैसी बात कर रही हो मौसी? What you are saying मौसी? That boy told, what you are saying? यदि जामुन गर्म नहीं है तो फिर तुम उन्हें फूंक फूंक कर क्यों गा रही है? If it is not hot, if that berries is not hot, then why you are eating like this? You are doing foo foo like that. You are doing, and why you are eating like that? वह सन रह गई और इस बात का वो क्या उत्तर देती? एक चरवाहे के बालक ने अपने वाक चातुर्य से उसे हरा दिया था। ओवैयार सन रह गई. That means she became silent. She can't say anything, isn't it? Yes, she can't say anything. Why? Then when she got that berries, she started to, before to start eating, what she is doing? She is doing like that, foo foo like that she is doing. When we are eating any hot food, that means that time we are doing like that. Here she did like that because it's full of dust, so she did like that. Then that boy asked, why you are eating like that? You are foo foo like that you are doing, and you are eating like that. Why? Because of it's hot you are eating like that. Or so she can't say any answer. Avaya san reh gayi. San means silent. That means she can't say anything. और इस बात का वह क्या उत्तर देती? What answer she will give for this question? Yes, एक चरवाहे के बालक ने अपने वाक चातुर्य से उसे हरा दिया. एक चरवाहे बालक ने अपने वाक चातुर्य से, that boy defeated her because of her cleverness. He also very clever, so that he defeated this lady over here. हरा दिया था. वह कुछ लज्जित सी हो गई. She became ashamed. लज्जित means when that boy asked why, then if it is not hot, then why you are eating like this? Then she can't say any, for that question she can't say any answer. So that वो कुछ लज्जित सी हो गई. She became ashamed. और तभी बालक नीचे उतर आया. Then that boy came down, and from that tree, top of the tree, he came down, and ओवैयार ने उसे गले से लगा लिया. That गले से लगा लिया means she hugged that boy. गले से लगा लिया means she hugged that boy. और कहा, सचमुच जामुन गरम ही है. Then ओवैयार told that सचमुच means really. सचमुच really that jamun is very hot. जामुन गरम ही है. गरम means hot. सचमुच जामुन गरम ही है, तभी तो मैं इन्हें फूंक फूंक कर गा रही हो. So I eat like that. And when before eating that jamun, I did like that. How foo like that I did and eat. It's very सचमुच jamun garam hi hai. Now that lady understood. Only one type of berries, not had two types. Only one type. That boy simply asked that and all. Then सचमुच गरम जामुन गरम ही है. Really that जामुन is hot. तभी तो मैं उन्हें फूंक फूंक कर गा रही हूँ. That's why I eat like that. दोनों साथ साथ हंस पड़े. Both of them together laughing and हंसते हंसते ही अपने अपने घर चले गए. And they went to their home. Now they understood. She understood what's her mistake. See here, what is the message of this story? We are getting knowledge, not from books, isn't it? Here she read. Here Avaya read more books. She read more books. She is writing poems. Everything she is doing. But when this boy asked this type of simple question, then she don't know is it true or false. Here this boy, he also very intelligent. Here message, what is the message? We are reading and we are observing some knowledge. We are observing some things. We are getting some knowledge. Not only from the books, from the incidents. We are in daily life. We are facing some incidents. Through that also we are getting some knowledge. Not only from the books, we will get some knowledge from some incidents also. That is the message of the story. Got it, children? Okay. Yes. You read this chapter, then if you have any doubt, you ask to me. Okay? Then we completed this chapter. How everyone understood the meaning? Yes, you got the message. What is the message of this story? Yes, we are getting knowledge. Not only we are getting knowledge, not only from the books, from outside also we are getting more knowledge. From that means in daily life we are facing some incidents, or we are through that also we are getting knowledge. Okay. Then take page number 17. Here have some shabd arth. That means word meaning. I will read. You will listen. Then Samman, Adhar, respect. Adhar, that's the synonym. Samman, Adhar, respect. Vidwan, Vishesh Dhyan Rakhne Wala, or scholar. That means intelligent. Mandra Mugdha, Talleel, डूबा हुआ, engrossed. Raj Darbar, Raja ka Darbar, royal court. Pranam, pranam means namaskar, to great. Or samasya, kadinai, problem. Vruddhavastha, budhapha, old age. Got it, these words? Yes. The next side, murad, kamna, desire, wish. दुआएं, आशीर्वाद, blessings. तर्क, बहस, argument. परास्त, हराना, to defeat. पोतिया, पुस्तकें, books. आश्चर्य, हैरान, चकित, surprise. लज्जित, शर्मिदा, ashamed. Here giving that synonyms and English meaning also. Go through this word meaning. Yes, then we can discuss, listen children, we can discuss the question answers also. प्रश्नों के उत्तर दो. Answer this questions, oral questions and written questions, and first we can discuss these all answers. Then question answers and all I will send through WhatsApp. You don't worry. Okay. First question, oral question, मौखिक question we can discuss first. Listen. कवयित्री अवैयार दोपहर के समय कहाँ जा रही थी? दोपहर, what's the meaning दोपहर? Afternoon. कवयित्री अवैयार दोपहर के समय कहाँ जा रही थी? कहाँ? Where? where she was going? Yes, she was going towards the market. कवयित्री ओवैयार दोपहर के समय बाजार में जा रही थी. Got that first answer? Yes. क्या देखकर ओवैयार के मुंह में पानी आ गया? क्या देखकर? What she saw? क्या देखकर ओवैयार के मुंह में पानी आ गया? Yes. जामुन, काले काले रसदार जामुन देखकर ओवैयार के मुंह में पानी आ गया. Or we also feel like that when we see this type of we wish to eat that fruit or anything, we also will get that type of feeling. और ओवैयार ने आज तक कौन सी बात नहीं सुनी थी? Which one did she didn't heard till now? ओवैयार ने आज तक कौन सी बात नहीं सुनी थी? Yes, गरम दो तरह के होते हैं, गरम या ठंडे. Two types of जामुन are there, गरम और ठंडे. That one she didn't hear till now. ओवैयार ने तंग आकर बालक से क्या कहा? Yes, ओवैयार ने तंग में आकर क्या कहा? Yes, तंग में आ गई और उसने कहा मेरे लिए गरम जामुन दे दो. और पेड़ की ढाली को जोर से हिलाने पर क्या हुआ? पेड़ के डाली को जोर से हिलाने पर रसदार जामुन नीचे गिर पड़े. Then next question, लिखित क्वेश्चन. बड़े बड़े विद्वान ओवैयार का सम्मान क्यों करते थे? Why the great person they also wished ओवैयार? Why? Here they told the great persons also wished her. Why? Yes, because of her intelligence, because of her scholar. That means बड़े बड़े विद्वान ओवैयार के विद्वत्ता के कारण उसके सम्मान करते थे. You got this answer, children? Yes. Then ओवैयार के सामने क्या समस्या थी? What's the problem before her? Yes, what's the problem? Now, when she saw that berries, then how she will get that? How she plucked that berries? ओवैयार के सामने समस्या क्या थी? जामुन कैसे तोड़े? सभी पेड़ ऊंचे हैं और जामुन के पेड़ ऊंचे थे और कैसे ये जामुन तोड़े? How she plucked the berries? That's the problem. बालक ने ओवैयार को प्रणाम करके क्या कहा? बालक ने ओवैयार को, that boy wished her and what he told? मौसी यह स्वादिष्ट जामुन है, आपको चाहिए तो मैं आपके लिए गिरा दो. मौसी बड़े स्वादिष्ट जामुन है, कहो तो कुछ तुम्हारे लिए गिरा दो. And it's very tasty जामुन. If you need, I will give some berries. ओवैयार जामुनों को फूंक फूंक कर क्यों खा रही थी? Why she ate like the foo like that? She ate that जामुन. Yes, जमीन पर गिरने के कारण उस जामुन पर क्या था? धूल means dust. धूल में सन गए थे, इसलिए so that ओवैयार जामुनों को फूंक फूंक कर खा रहे थे. Okay, children, you got that answer? Yes. बालक की कौन सी बात सुनकर ओवैयार लज्जित हो गई? Yes. बालक की कौन सी बात सुनकर ओवैयार लज्जित हो गई? लज्जित means ashamed. Yes. That boy asked that if that it is garam jamun, that is why you are eating like the foo like that. You are eating that jamun. For that she don't have any answer to give, so she became ashamed. Okay, you got these all answers, children. Anybody have any doubts? Okay, we can go the next exercise. It's very easy. Complete the sentences. Here given in bracket, they have given the answers. Then you read these questions and you will get answer from this bracket. Then you write that answers here. Okay, first questions I will read. Then this is your homework. You do in your textbook. Listen. बहुत पहले तमिलनाडु में एक प्रसिद्ध डैश रहती थी. There already written that answer. कवयित्री रहती थी. अवैयार डैश में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी. Here given some options from the, you can choose the correct answer. For that you want to read this chapter 2 or 3 times. You will get that answer. Then you do it this and you send it to me. I will correct it and give and question answers and all I will send through WhatsApp. That and all you write in your notebook and send it to me. Okay, children, send it in my personal number. I will correct it and give without spelling mistake. You want to write. You can textbook and everything you can check it. Then you can without spelling mistake. You want to write in your notebook neatly. Okay. Then next question. अवैयार देश में होने वाली कवि गोष्ठियों में भी भाग लेती थी. काले काले डैश जामुन देखकर अवैयार के मुंह में पानी आ गया. अवैयार बालक की बात पर डैश करने लगी. एक चरवाहे के बालक ने अपने डैश से उसे हरा दिया. This is your homework, page number 18, second exercise. Homework, page number 18, exercise number 2. Okay, children. The next one we already told. When we completed that chapter, we told that message of the story. That also I will send. You don't worry. But message and all you got now? You got that message of the story? Okay. Then I am going to wind up this section. Thank you. Have a nice day.